We're living in a world where AI is transforming industries at a rapid pace. From brain computer interfaces to AI in marketing, today's episode explores how cutting edge technologies are reshaping everything around us. Buckle up as we dive into 12 fascinating segments that highlight the latest breakthroughs and their implications. In an exciting development for brain computer interface (BCI) technology, Zyfra has released ZUNA, a foundation model that could transform how we process EEG electroencephalogram signals. ZUNA, with its impressive 380 million parameters, is designed to advance non-invasive thought-to-text applications by enhancing EEG signal quality. What does this mean for the tech world? Well, ZUNA utilizes a diffusion autoencoder architecture, which is built specifically to handle variabilities in EEG data, such as channel dropouts and motion artifacts. This makes it a versatile tool for a variety of applications, from medical diagnostics to creative tech solutions. The technical backbone of ZUNA involves sophisticated methods to reconstruct, denoise, and upscale EEG signals. It incorporates algorithms that specifically target noise and improve signal clarity. Importantly, ZUNA is developed to align with multiple EEG hardware configurations, providing ease of integration through APIs. Though metrics detailing the quantitative improvements in EEG data quality are still forthcoming, ZUNA's introduction represents a significant leap over existing models. The main trade-offs include the need for thorough testing across diverse EEG datasets and consumer-grade hardware, which remains an uncharted area. Keen to explore? You can check out the model on Hugging Face and dive into Zyfra's demos and documentation available on their official site. These resources will give you insights into ZUNA's architecture and capabilities. The takeaway here is simple. ZUNA is a promising foundation model that sets the stage for significant advancements in brain-computer interface technology, potentially making thought-to-text applications more tangible than ever. Music creation took a futuristic leap with the release of Google DeepMind's Lyria 3. This advanced AI model ventures into generating music tracks from both text prompts and photos, redefining audio creativity for a myriad of applications. Lyria 3 is not just another AI model. It's built with a sophisticated deep learning architecture specifically designed for audio synthesis. This integration involves advanced photo and text analysis capabilities, enabling the model to transform visuals and written content into bespoke 30-second music tracks. These tracks are complete with lyrics, vocals, and even unique cover art, elevating the traditional music creation process. The technological backbone of Lyria 3 ensures its seamless integration with Google's Gemini API, a move that streamlines the user experience and positions it as an intuitive tool for creators. While currently in beta for desktop users, the model guarantees high-fidelity audio across various musical genres, catering to a wide range of artistic preferences. This real-time generation of synthetic tracks means users can quickly iterate on their creative ideas, providing an instantaneous resource for musicians and content developers alike. However, such innovation comes with its own set of trade-offs. The quality of AI-generated music may vary, potentially requiring human intervention to polish and refine outputs to meet desired standards. There's also the significant matter of copyright and ownership of AI-generated content, a legal gray area that the industry might need to address for sustainable adoption. For those eager to explore Lyria 3's capabilities, accessing the beta version through the Gemini app on a desktop is the starting point. Users can experiment with diverse text prompts or images to unveil the creative potential these inputs have on the generated music. This beta phase provides an excellent opportunity to test and integrate Lyria 3 into existing audio and video editing workflows, pushing the boundaries of conventional content creation. The broader implications of Lyria 3 are substantial. It stands to democratize music creation by making it more accessible to both seasoned artists and amateurs. Beyond just traditional music, its applications could extend into educational tools, video game soundtracks, and more, making it an indispensable tool in modern content creation. Despite potential ethical debates and legal considerations, Lyria 3 showcases the promise of AI-driven creativity, sketching a future where human and machine creativity intersect to produce richer, more varied artistic expressions. Mistral AI's acquisition of Koyeb marks a strategic venture into bolstering its cloud infrastructure, aiming to compete with established tech giants. By integrating Koyeb's serverless deployment capabilities, Mistral enhances its compute offerings, promising smoother AI app deployments. This acquisition is more than just a merger. It represents a significant milestone for Mistral AI, valuing it at $13.8 billion. Koyeb specializes in serverless technology, allowing developers to deploy applications without server management complexities. This aligns perfectly with Mistral's goals to streamline operations and enhance developer experience. Technically, Koyeb's platform allows seamless integration into Mistral's current infrastructure by supporting serverless architecture. This technology significantly reduces the workload associated with server maintenance, enabling developers to focus on application logic and functionality rather than infrastructure management. The integration will empower Mistral to scale its solutions more efficiently, which is crucial given the rapidly growing demand for AI applications. Koyeb's serverless technology functions by automatically managing the underlying server infrastructure, handling load balancing, scaling, and error handling seamlessly. Such capabilities are critical when deploying large AI models that require substantial computational resources. Mistral plans to leverage these features by embedding Koyeb's sandboxes, a feature allowing for secure AI agent deployment, further enhancing their proprietary large language models and AI assistant, LeChat. Mistral AI's valuation, now standing at $13.8 billion, underscores the confidence investors have in its trajectory. With an annual recurring revenue exceeding $400 million, the integration of Koyeb's technology is set to enhance Mistral's offerings in the burgeoning AI cloud market, promoting a more innovative and responsive infrastructure. However, there are trade-offs and limitations to consider. The financial terms of the acquisition remain undisclosed, leading to speculation about its valuation and Mistral's investment strategies. Moreover, the integration timeline is unspecified, raising operational questions for both existing and prospective users. There are concerns about how the merger will affect Koyeb's current user base, especially those reliant on its existing configurations. Additionally, the anticipated phasing out of a free tier might deter smaller users. For those interested in exploring further developments, Koyeb's official blog and forum, along with TechCrunch's detailed coverage, provide insightful updates on this acquisition. These resources highlight the strategic aims and challenges Mistral faces as it expands its cloud capabilities. In conclusion, the intricate dance between cloud innovation and competitive positioning, exemplified by the Mistral-Koyeb partnership, heralds a new chapter in AI infrastructure development, especially within Europe. Through strategic acquisition and smart integration, Mistral AI is poised to capture more market share by offering robust and scalable solutions, accelerating its mission to become a sovereign leader in the European AI landscape. The release of Tavis's Phoenix 4 marks a significant milestone in the progression of emotionally intelligent generative video AI. This model empowers digital avatars to exhibit and interpret emotions with remarkable authenticity, transforming how users experience virtual interactions. Central to Phoenix 4's function is its sophisticated architecture, which seamlessly integrates multiple submodels. Raven 1 specializes in environmental perception, capturing subtle emotional signals from conversation contexts. Meanwhile, Sparrow 1 handles conversational timing, ensuring that responses are not only contextually relevant, but also timely. These components operate within a Gaussian diffusion framework, which facilitates the creation of high-resolution video outputs at an impressive 40 frames per second, FPS, in full 1080p resolution. Phoenix 4's standout feature is its capability for real-time processing, maintaining an end-to-end conversational latency under 600 milliseconds. This ensures fluid, responsive exchanges that mimic natural human interaction. The model allows avatars to express 4 primary emotional states: joy, sadness, anger, and surprise, which are crucial for applications requiring human-like empathy, such as customer support and virtual teaching environments. Furthermore, these emotional responses are finely tuned to reflect realistic human expressions, a process complicated by the need for high-quality input data. While Phoenix 4 promises enhanced interactivity, it isn't without challenges. The technology depends heavily on robust computational infrastructure to manage the intensive real-time processing demands. Moreover, replicating complex human emotions remains an ongoing development hurdle. User acceptance is another potential barrier, as people must become comfortable with AI avatars capable of emotional expression. Tavis supports developers through comprehensive API documentation and SDKs, promoting the easy integration of Phoenix 4's advanced features into existing platforms. Prospective users and developers are encouraged to engage with the model through real-time demos on Tavis's website, Koyeb, providing a tangible sense of its capabilities and limitations. The launch of Phoenix 4 is set to redefine standards for digital avatars by integrating enhanced emotional intelligence that augments user experience. Its potential to reshape industries like customer service, online education, and even entertainment underlines a broader trend towards more nuanced, emotionally resonant AI interactions. This advancement may indeed catalyze further innovation and research into emotionally intelligent systems, prompting thoughtful consideration regarding the ethical implications and user perceptions of such technologies. Anthropic's release of Claude Sonnet 4.6 marks a pivotal shift in AI's ability to assist developers, thanks to its groundbreaking 1 million token context window. This transformative feature allows developers to seamlessly manage large-scale documents and extensive codebases within a single request, essentially multiplying the model's capacity to provide in-depth analysis and support across long workflows. The 1 million token context window is not just a technical milestone. It reflects a deeper understanding of how developers and knowledge workers interface with ever-expanding datasets. Previous AI models, constrained by much smaller context windows, often necessitated fragmentary analysis, hindering comprehensive problem solving. Claude 4.6's ability to handle an increased range provides users the advantage of parsing complex code or document hierarchies in their entirety, promoting a holistic approach to problem resolution. Performance-wise, Claude 4.6 has achieved a 60.4% score on the ARC AGI-2 benchmark, illustrating its improved reasoning capabilities. While it ranks slightly behind other leading models like GPT 5.2, its performance signifies a competitive edge in specific scenarios, particularly for tasks entailing extended interactions and higher-order processing demands. The pricing strategy remains frictionless, maintaining the structure of $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, thus ensuring accessibility without new financial burdens. While the capabilities are promising, Claude 4.6's beta status for the expansive context window presents unavoidable trade-offs. There is potential for variability in performance, especially as real-world applications subject the model to diverse inputs and lengths. Users might experience latency issues when processing very large data inputs, a critical factor that requires continuous monitoring and feedback to optimize. Practical integration is fortified by user-friendly APIs designed for smooth assimilation into existing workflows. Developers are encouraged to explore these amenities through Anthropic's robust platform and API documentation, which outlines integration paths and potential use case scenarios. This openness to community engagement is vital for refining the model's robustness and relevance. In summary, Claude 4.6 isn't merely an upgrade. It's a foray into expanded contextual understanding by AI, setting a precedent for future models. With its potential to enhance productivity across software development and other data-intensive fields, it offers a glimpse into a future where AI not only assists, but also collaborates in the crafting of sophisticated coding solutions and workflows. By setting a new standard in context handling, Claude 4.6 is navigating the frontier of AI's role in the technological landscape. Cohere AI Labs has unveiled Tiny Aya, a groundbreaking small language model specifically designed to operate efficiently on low-resource devices, addressing the growing demand for multilingual capabilities in various environments. Developed with a sophisticated architecture totaling 3.35 billion parameters, Tiny Aya is a significant advancement in edge computing, enabling offline functionality across everyday devices such as smartphones and tablets. One of the standout features of Tiny Aya is its ability to support over 70 different languages, This is achieved through 5 distinct variants of the model: Tiny Aya Base, Global, Earth, Fire, and Water, each optimized for specific linguistic and regional needs. The use of 4-bit quantization within the model ensures that performance is maximized without sacrificing accuracy or speed, making it suitable for real-time applications. Performance benchmarks attest to its capabilities. For instance, Tiny Aya can generate up to 32 tokens per second on devices like the iPhone 17 Pro, a notable enhancement over previous models. On older devices like the iPhone 13, it still manages a respectable 10 tokens per second. Such advancements highlight the model's potential to function effectively without relying on constant internet connectivity, a crucial factor in environments where stable internet access is not guaranteed. Despite these promising features, certain trade-offs and limitations warrant attention. Concerns about regional performance variations and the accuracy of offline data persist. More comprehensive independent evaluations are essential to validate its effectiveness in diverse real-world scenarios, particularly for languages that are less commonly supported by AI models. For developers and enthusiasts interested in experimenting with Tiny Aya, resources are widely accessible. Platforms like Hugging Face offer opportunities to test the model's variants, such as Tiny Aya Earth, huggingface.co/cohere/labs/Tiny Aya Earth, UTEM source OpenA, and Tiny Aya Fire, huggingface.here labs, Tiny Aya Fire, UTEM source OpenEye. Additionally, Cohere's official release notes and blog provide further insights into the model's deployment and performance attributes. Tiny Aya represents a pivotal step in making AI more accessible and inclusive. By enabling high-quality multilingual processing, even in resource-limited settings, this model ensures that linguistic diversity is preserved and enhanced, bridging technological gaps and fostering greater global communication diversity. Cohere's innovation could catalyze widespread adoption of compact AI solutions, encouraging other organizations to follow suit and prioritize efficiency along with scalability. NVIDIA's introduction of multi-instance GPU MIG technology, coupled with NUMA, non-uniform memory access node localization, signifies a major leap in GPU processing capabilities, especially for AI and high-performance computing (HPC) tasks. By facilitating superior resource allocation, these technologies address long-standing challenges of latency and resource contention. The crux of MIG technology is its ability to partition a single NVIDIA A100 GPU into up to 7 distinct instances. Each of these instances operates with its own dedicated memory, cache, and compute cores, essentially functioning as an independent GPU. This innovation allows multiple workloads to be processed simultaneously, thereby enhancing overall GPU utilization. Real-world performance benchmarks are highly encouraging. MIG technology has demonstrated its potential to decrease deep learning inference latency by a substantial 30 to 50%, and it has been observed to double the throughput for certain workloads compared to traditional setups. Such enhancements not only boost performance metrics, but also afford considerable financial benefits. Enterprises adopting MIG can anticipate cost savings of up to 70% in GPU resources by maximizing hardware utilization. However, the adoption of MIG is not without its complexities. Partitioning a GPU into multiple instances may introduce performance overheads, which can impact the efficiency of specific workloads. Furthermore, the need for meticulous NUMA node configuration remains critical. Improper configuration could negate the benefits expected from optimized GPU setups, especially in multi-socket server environments where remote memory access latency can become a bottleneck. For organizations aiming to leverage these advancements, NVIDIA's official documentation provides an exhaustive guide to understanding the setup process. The integration of MIG into cloud services, such as AWS, also offers users an accessible path to deploy these technologies effectively in their operations. AWS, for instance, has tailored support for MIG, aiding in the seamless utilization of these multi-instance configurations within cloud environments. Through these innovations, NVIDIA not only optimizes existing resources, but also opens new avenues for the development and deployment of scalable AI applications. These advancements are pivotal in meeting the escalating demands of data-intensive environments, particularly as they apply to ever-evolving applications in AI and machine learning. It's a forward-thinking step that is likely to influence future GPU architecture designs, paving the way for more adaptable and efficient computational resources. Google has taken a significant leap forward in augmented reality AR development with the unveiling of Jetpack Compose Glimmer, a specialized UI toolkit designed specifically for next-generation AI glasses. As part of the Android XR SDK Developer Preview 3, this launch highlights Google's efforts to tackle the unique challenges posed by AR interfaces. By combining the existing strengths of Jetpack Compose with new functionalities tailored for spatial interactions, Glimmer represents a pivotal tool for developers aiming to streamline and innovate the creation of immersive digital experiences. Unlike traditional UI development, which often focuses on 2D interface components, Jetpack Compose Glimmer harnesses the declarative nature of Kotlin-based Jetpack Compose to build dynamic spatial interfaces. This approach simplifies the handling of complex motion tracking and geospatial precision, essential features for AR applications. Developers can leverage device sensors for enhanced user interactions, allowing motion and voice input to dynamically influence the user's virtual environment. One of the most compelling features of Jetpack Compose Glimmer is its integration with an AI glasses emulator available in Android Studio. This tool allows developers to simulate and test their applications in a virtual environment that mimics the real-world interactions of AI glasses, significantly reducing the development cycle's duration and complexity. With no specific latency or cost metrics disclosed yet, Google emphasizes the importance of ensuring accuracy in motion tracking and geospatial capabilities to support various AR use cases in real-time scenarios. Despite the promising technology, developers face several inherent challenges. The availability of compatible AI glasses is currently unverified, creating uncertainty around immediate deployment options. Furthermore, user adoption rates for such devices remain an open question. The competitive landscape is also fierce, with frameworks like Microsoft's Mixed Reality Toolkit and Apple's ARKit continuously evolving, forcing developers to judiciously evaluate strategic directions. To assist developers in exploring these possibilities, Google has provided comprehensive resources and sample projects via the official Jetpack Compose Glimmer documentation on the Android developer site. By diving into these materials, developers can gain valuable insights into crafting innovative spatial interfaces, grasping the nuances of implementing interfaces that leverage motion sensors and voice recognition APIs. Jetpack Compose Glimmer not only showcases Google's commitment to advancing AR technology, but also sets the stage for a broader transformation in digital interactions. As consumer interest in AR glasses grows as more applications become available, enterprises looking to innovate should pay close attention to how this technology can reshape customer experiences. Jetpack Compose Glimmer may indeed herald a new era where augmented reality seamlessly integrates into daily life, revolutionizing industries from retail to education and beyond. America First Credit Union has taken a transformative leap with its AI Decision Explainer, aimed at enhancing transparency in financial services by demystifying AI-driven outcomes for stakeholders. This advancement is crucial for building trust and ensuring accountability within financial decision-making frameworks, particularly as the landscape becomes increasingly data-driven. Partnering with Arise AI, America First incorporates cutting-edge machine learning observability tools that are pivotal in this initiative. One of the key technical components is real-time monitoring of model performance. This includes catching and addressing model drift, an issue where the statistical properties of the model shift over time, resulting in degraded decision accuracy. With real-time alerts, the system can proactively resolve these issues, a vital aspect considering that credit decisions have far-reaching impacts on individuals and communities. Beyond drift detection, the incorporation of bias tracing ensures adherence to foundational fairness standards, such as those established by the Equality Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA. This is significant as it automatically aligns AI decision-making processes with regulatory compliance, promoting equitable outcomes in financial services. While specific latency and cost metrics remain undisclosed, the anticipated increase in modeling efficiency and fairness is substantial. The bias tracing tool not only supports compliance, but also enhances the perception of fairness, a critical factor in maintaining consumer trust. However, areas like the long-term efficacy of these measures and the clarity they provide to stakeholders are subjects of ongoing exploration. For those interested in delving further into AI's role in financial services, exploring AI's case studies can shed light on varied implementations and best practices. Understanding the real-world applications and potential of AI transparency tools can propel future developments in this domain. America First's initiative reflects a broader industry movement towards integrating AI responsibly, prioritizing both effective and ethical implementations. This strategic pursuit aligns with the trends of increased AI adoption, where 66% of credit unions are now planning AI integration for credit decisioning alone. By focusing on transparency and communication, America First not only optimizes decision accuracy, but sets a precedent for ethical AI deployment standards within the financial sector, reinforcing stability and trust across all stakeholder interactions. The legal industry is undergoing a significant transformation as it incorporates artificial intelligence, AI, into its processes, particularly in managing digital evidence. This evolution reflects the increasingly complex landscape of digital data within legal proceedings, wherein traditional methods are proving inadequate for the sheer volume and complexity of data encountered today. AI-powered tools such as Digital Evidence Management Solutions, DEMS, developed by Prosecution Genie Inc., are at the forefront of this shift. DEMS automates routine yet critical tasks such as evidence collection and case pattern recognition. By streamlining these processes, DEMS can reduce manual workloads by up to an impressive 70%. This efficiency gain allows legal professionals to focus more on strategic aspects rather than getting bogged down by operational details. The legal sector finds itself at a crossroads, where AI is seen not only as a tool for efficiency, but also as a catalyst for significant operational change. As 90% of criminal cases now involve digital evidence, ranging from surveillance footage to social media data, the demand for systems that can handle this data efficiently is more pronounced than ever. AI solutions like DEMS can enhance accuracy and reliability in evidence examination by at least 30%, a critical improvement in ensuring just outcomes. Despite these advancements, the integration of AI in legal workflows is not without its challenges and limitations. One pressing concern is the authenticity and security of AI-generated evidence. The advent of technologies like deepfakes raises questions about the trustworthiness of digital evidence. Legal professionals must navigate these complexities with caution to maintain the integrity of legal outcomes. Furthermore, the potential biases inherent in AI algorithms may impact the fairness of trials, highlighting the need for ongoing algorithmic audits. The transformative potential of AI is exemplified by platforms like LegalOn Technologies, which expanded its AI contract review tools to include matter management features in mid-2025. Such platforms drastically cut down contract review time from weeks to mere hours, representing a paradigm shift in how legal operations are conducted. Similarly, Harvey offers AI-driven professional services on Microsoft Azure, enhancing the accessibility and scalability of AI applications in legal settings. However, the widespread adoption of AI in legal technology necessitates a careful balance. Ethical oversight and a robust legal framework must accompany technological adoption to mitigate risks related to data privacy, security, and compliance. Moreover, the scalability of AI solutions for smaller firms and the potential over-reliance on automated systems present further challenges. For legal professionals, delving into AI tools like DEMS and exploring contract review solutions from LegalOn Technologies offers valuable insights into the application of AI. While AI's integration into the legal sector is likely to redefine workflows significantly, comprehensive ethical guidelines and continuous training will be critical factors in revolutionizing legal practices sustainably. Amazon has crafted an innovative evaluation framework designed to enhance the reliability and performance of AI agent systems across various platforms. By standardizing assessments, this framework offers a structured approach to evaluating AI behaviors, particularly in real-time scenarios that demand high precision. At the core of this framework are key components like the generic evaluation workflow and the agent evaluation library. These tools are engineered to address complex challenges such as emergent behaviors and multi-step reasoning. Emergent behaviors in AI, unpredictable actions that arise during interactions, require sophisticated mechanisms to detect and analyze, while multi-step reasoning tests an AI's ability to consistently process and respond across multiple decision points in a task pipeline. To maintain accuracy and reliability, the framework integrates human-in-the-loop processes. These processes allow for continuous human oversight, ensuring that the AI systems remain aligned with expected performance standards and quickly adapt to any anomalies or unexpected behavior. One of the standout features is the integration with Amazon CloudWatch. This tool provides visualization capabilities for performance metrics, allowing for continuous monitoring and rapid issue resolution. By utilizing CloudWatch, organizations can visualize systematic metric evaluations, which are pivotal for maintaining high performance levels and preemptively addressing potential degradations typical of AI agents over time. Although the framework promises significant enhancements, its complexity and adaptability across varied environments remain under scrutiny. Initial evaluations indicate promising outcomes, yet further analysis is necessary to fully understand its effectiveness in diverse real-world applications. For instance, scalability remains a topic of discussion, as the framework's performance in large-scale deployments is still being explored. Developers and enterprises seeking to leverage this framework can access comprehensive documentation and customization options on platforms like GitHub. This access allows for industry-specific tailoring, enabling organizations to create custom evaluators suited to their unique operational needs. In summary, Amazon's framework offers a substantial advancement in AI agent assessment, potentially setting new benchmarks for real-time AI evaluations. By streamlining performance audits and enhancing continuous improvement processes, this framework could redefine the standards for deploying trusted AI systems across industries. As such, it holds promise for setting global compliance standards and improving user trust and satisfaction in AI-driven solutions. The B2B marketing landscape in the Asia-Pacific APAC region is on the verge of transformation, driven by AI innovations. With webinars being a key conduit for engagement, making up 20% of all leads, the integration of AI into marketing strategies offers new opportunities for growth. The APAC webinar market is expected to reach £10.8 billion by 2027, underscoring the economic significance of leveraging AI in this space. Generative AI, in particular, is set to enhance webinar effectiveness, potentially improving attendance by 15% and conversion rates by 10%. However, only 17% of APAC marketers currently leverage AI technologies, indicating a substantial opportunity for expansion. A future-oriented approach requires understanding how AI can not just automate, but also smartly adapt content to match diverse audience expectations. Technical integration of AI. The technical incorporation of AI into marketing involves multiple components. 1. Automation tools. These are crucial for managing repetitive tasks associated with webinars, such as registration, follow-up emails, and feedback collection, effectively freeing up human resources to focus on strategy. 2. Personalization algorithms. Advanced algorithms can dynamically adapt content based on the user's profile and behavior, providing a tailored experience that resonates with individual webinar attendees, thereby enhancing engagement. 3. APIs for real-time insights. Integrating AI insights into live sessions through APIs allows marketers to adjust their content on the fly, responding to attendee reactions and questions in real time. 4. Engagement analytics. AI-driven analytics track user interactions meticulously, offering insights into what content drives the most engagement, which sections lose viewer interest, and why specific segments convert better. Strategic considerations. Implementing AI-driven strategies requires careful consideration of local nuances and preferences across the diverse APAC region. Cultural diversity introduces complexity in strategy formulation, necessitating a highly localized approach for content and delivery. Trade-offs and implementation challenges. Balancing AI efficiencies with the necessary personalization is a key challenge. There is a risk that over-reliance on AI could depersonalize interactions, making them feel mechanistic rather than genuine. Moreover, the varied pace of AI adoption across industries and countries could mean uneven benefits or challenges. Strategic actions. Explore localization strategies by tailoring webinar content to specific APAC markets to increase relatability and engagement. Leverage AI for personalization, using machine learning to adjust content and questions during webinars based on audience interaction. Test audience engagement metrics to refine strategies and topics, ensuring alignment with audience interests and needs. Implications for marketers. Marketers must be forward-thinking, ready to adapt to AI capabilities that enhance lead generation and conversion rates. Training is crucial to maximize the effectiveness of AI tools. By embracing AI's functionality, companies could see increased brand relevance and deeper market penetration in APAC. AI's rising influence is reshaping B2B marketing strategies across the APAC region, pushing businesses toward a future that increasingly values data-driven insights and innovative thinking. This evolving landscape demands marketers balance cutting-edge technology with nuanced human interaction to maintain a competitive edge. Thank you for joining us on this journey through some of the most exciting developments in AI today. As we move forward, these technologies not only promise to transform industries, but also how we interact with the world around us. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us next time for more insights into the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.